Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the new, fresh week and action packed week. Lots of things are shaping up, and it's really going to be an amazing week. Lots of things will be decided this week. So, Abhishekraj, once again, I'll share quickly what all is going to make a difference in today's trading session and how you should be planning your investments. So, starting with the fund flows. Overall, there was a massive selling observed from the institutions, both FII sold, DII sold. More or less, all the selling figures were there with high rise in volatility, approximately 8% in India. US markets even ended lower. However, at one point of time, US markets were almost 3% negative, however, closed about 0.5% negative. Plus the volatility, which surged over 10% at one point of time and during the session, it closed 18% negative. So looks like lots of things, lots of news would have come and things are looking to get better. Mostly our markets will take cues from the global markets and the geopolitical situation that's going on between India and China. Now, one thing, on Friday's meeting that happened is China and India both agreed to de-escalate the situation. So it looks like it's a kind of wait and watch situation and things are improving. Plus we also had a news of China getting into our territory from a satellite, some sort of spying going on. So it's a time when investors should be very precautious. Do not go aggressive. Looking at Nifty individually, if you look at the chart, what has happened is Nifty eventually closed below the massive sell-off of Monday. Plus it closed, both opened and closed below 20 days moving average with increased volumes in comparison to Thursday's session. So, this is the first time post 4th of August Nifty has closed below its 20 days moving average. However, it's a more or less kind of dragonfly doji candle that Nifty has formed on daily charts. RSI, MACD are negative kind of, because MACD is negative, RSI is kind of flat to positive. Next support that we are looking at is around 11,100 and next resistance would be 11,400. Now, here is the game. Nifty's 20-day moving average is somewhere around 11,400. So unless and until Nifty sustains above 11,400, I would not suggest you to go on longs. For shorts, it will be wiser to see today's session if it closes below Friday's low or not, because it was a gravestone doji. In case it is confirmed post a negative closing with an increased volumes, we can go negative on the markets till a target of 11,100, but till then just avoid. Rest positionally, Nifty would be a buy above 11,550. So this particular range of 11,300 till 11,550, this 250 points range is a no trade zone for me. Looking at Bank Nifty, as I had said, exactly the same thing had happened post taking a resistance on 200 days moving average. 20 days moving average was tested in yesterday's session. So it was a bullseye view that got completely correct. Now, MACD, RSI are both positive on daily charts. Traders are advised to approach the markets with a kind of neutral view. Rest basis the real-time scenarios will take our decision, because markets are at a very crucial turning point. Here on, if we get a good negative closing with any kind of increase in volumes, markets will turn positionally negative. Nifty will turn positionally negative. For Bank Nifty to turn positionally negative, we have to wait for a closing below 22,300, because that's the 50 days moving average. Bank Nifty is already has taken support around 20 days moving average. Rest that is going to act as a very important support in today's session. Rest, in case 20 days moving average is taken over, the next support would be 22,300. Now, this is how you should approach the markets. Nifty, keep a positive view above 11,400. However, no trade between 11,400 to 500. Below 11,300, it's negative. Bank Nifty positive above 23,100 and negative below 22,800. However, there is no trade zone. If it happens, it would be real time. I'll share the trade. Metal index, one may find buying opportunities in metal stocks because there is one thing you need to check out. In case metal index trades above 2480, you can go long with stop loss around 2400. That's what you can do in metal index. IT looks consolidating. You can find buying opportunities in IT stocks in case the index sustains above 18,100. Nifty Pharma is trading well below 20 days moving average, and we would have a positive view in case it goes above 11,550, and negative view in case it goes below 11,100. This 400 band of pharma index is a no trade zone, so you can go short on find some short opportunities in pharma stocks in case you find the pharma index below 11,100. Find long opportunities in case you find pharma index above 11,550. Nifty Energy, as forecasted, fell exactly to take support at 50-day moving average. Now keep a very close look at 50 days moving average that is placed around 15,350. If energy index doesn't break this important support, you can take this support as a stop loss and find buying opportunities into Reliance and other energy stocks. So that would be all. I'm not sharing any stock specific trade today, and I'll be doing that during the market hours. Stay tuned, stay in touch. I'll share, and in case you have any questions, doubt, queries, feel free to write me back. Feel free to get in touch with me on any of the social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. It's Ask Abhishekraj. So that would be all. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Abhishekraj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.